Hi, I'm Lisa from Looped and Knotted, and today we're putting it all together. You'll learn how to turn your work and crochet in rows using the single crochet stitch. If you've already learned how to chain and how to single crochet, this is your next step. Let's keep building your confidence one row at a time. When you work in rows, you're crocheting back and forth, turning your work at the end of each row. It's how you build a flat piece of fabric, like a scarf, a dishcloth, or the front of a sweater. Let's walk through how to move from one row to the next. At the end of the row, you're going to make one chain. This is your turning chain. And then you're going to turn your work, and always turn your work in the same direction. Insert your hook into the very first stitch, not the chain that you just made, and work a single crochet. And work into the next stitch. You're going to go under the V, insert your hook, yarn over again, and pull through both loops. And you're going to work a single crochet in each stitch across. There'll be 14. Want your edges to stay nice and straight? Here's the secret. Always count your stitches after each row. You should have the same number every time. Don't accidentally skip the last stitch. It can be a little tricky to see, but it's important. Use a stitch marker at the first and last stitch if that helps. It's a great beginner tip. Now practice on turning your work 3 or 4 rows of single crochet. Take your time. The more you repeat this motion, the more natural it feels. Chain 1, turn your work, and work a single crochet in the first stitch. And there you go, you just crocheted your first few rows of single crochet. This is a huge milestone, so give yourself a little cheer. You're doing something amazing. If this video helped, give it a like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly crochet tutorials. You can also join my free beginner crochet course, where I walk you through every single stitch, step by step, with love, support, and lots of encouragement. You've got this, and I'll see you in the next lesson.